Hello students, today we are going to start chapter number 9 of Dornbusch Macroeconomics, that is income and spending. The first topic that we will study in this chapter is aggregate demand and equilibrium output. Aggregate demand is the total amount of goods demanded in the economy, that is AD equals to C plus I plus G plus NX, where AD equals to aggregate demand, C denotes goods demanded for consumption purposes, I denotes goods demanded for investment purposes, G denotes goods demanded by the government, and NX means goods demanded as net exports, where net exports means exports minus imports. At the equilibrium level, quantity of output produced will be equal to quantity demanded, or I can say that Y equals to AD, or I can write it as Y equals to consumption plus investment plus government expenditure plus net exports. Next concept is unplanned inventory. Unplanned inventory is denoted by IU, which is equal to output produced minus aggregate demand. There can be two situations. When output produced is greater than aggregate demand, in this situation, unplanned inventories will be positive or will be greater than 0. So, in this case, inventory is accumulating. So, we can write it as unplanned inventory. Since the inventory is accumulating, so it will be unplanned inventory investment. Unplanned inventory investment. In this situation, to restore the equilibrium, firms will cut back on production until output produced will become equal to quantity demanded. As we know that the output level produced is greater than aggregate demand, so the firms need to decrease their production, need to cut back on production until Y will become equal to AD. The second case is when output produced is less than aggregate demand. In this situation, unplanned inventories will be negative or will be less than 0. So, we can write it as unplanned inventory, unplanned inventory disinvestment. Why disinvestment? Because in this case, to restore the equilibrium, inventories will be drawn down, inventories will be used until output produced will become equal to aggregate demand. Thank you.